and then say thank you. Okay? Thank you so much, kids. Go! Okay, kids, say thank you, and then kids, kapag nabigyan na lang, let's go back to your seat. Thank you so much. Come on, play the music, DJ.
And of course, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat po para po sa lahat ng mga patuloy na nanonood at sa sumusuporta ng Batang Quiapo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much. Okay? Of course, sige pa, ending lang kids, get your link box. Yan. Say thank you. Thank you so much.
One. Okay, come on, kids, get your lip box. Thank you. Yan, alright. Sige pa, get your lip box. Thank you so much.
Yan, okay. Okay pa. Sige pa. Get your lip box. Nga pala kids, meron tayong special guest. Baka makalimutan pong i-announcer, okay? After po ng giving ng loot box, i-introduce na natin siya. And of course, kailangan ko po ng tulong ni Fabio. Mamaya, okay? So kids, get your loot box and then say thank you to the Mami and Daddy ng ating birthday girl. Maraming salamat po. Come on. Yan, alright.